Hello everyone, today we will introduce the JUTZE AOI machine. Today we will introduce how the AOI machine detects defective products. We zoom in on the image. How does the AOI machine detect which chips are defective? The AOI machine doesn't understand. We need to tell it. It needs us to tell it which are defective products and which are good products. We need to tell the AOI machine. I have been working in the AOI field for over 10 years. So I can tell at a glance which solder joints are good and which are defective. I know it at a glance. But for those new to the AOI machine, friends who are just starting with AOI, they may not understand a lot because they don't know which are defective and they don't know how to tell the AOI machine which are defective and which are good. Let me briefly introduce for resistors like this and capacitors like Kfen. When the polarity position of this resistor is dark blue, very, very blue, or a slightly dark black color, this indicates the soldering is perfect. It is a good product. When this position, the soldering at this position and these positions, where it contacts this position is red, reddish-white, or green. Like these, green or red. It is a defective product. We need to tell the AOI machine about these characteristics. When the AOI detects red, or reddish-white or green, this is a defective product. The AOI machine needs to detect it. This is the principle of detecting defective products. Look, these are all fine. All well soldered. Because this PCB board has been stored for a long time, there is an oxidation issue. When this solder joint, when the resistor is tilted upward, the solder joint position will definitely be red, or reddish-white or green, the same as this color. This color. This color, this color. It's the same as this color. So we need to tell the AOI machine when it turns reddish-white or red or green, this is a defective product. We need to tell the AOI machine about this characteristic. When the AOI detects the color in this detection frame is this color, the AOI should know it is defective. Detect it and tell us. Okay, that's it for today. How the AOI machine determines good and defective products. In the next session, we will introduce how to convey this information through programming to tell the AOI machine. We need to go in here to edit a program to tell the AOI machine, this is a defective product. This is an okay product. That's the idea. Okay, that's all for today's introduction. If you like my video tutorials, please follow and subscribe. Our contact is www.jhims.com. I'll continue in the next episode. Thank you.